toes.
Hello, Atehnkeng.
That was good, kid.
Fucking God, I actually hate my life.
What we're doing today is we're going to see who can score the most goals out of 10. And Blaze is going to be net.
Division 1 goalie, by the way.
Don't listen to him.
No.
So it's me, Lutos, Blaze, Brandon, Bryce, and Muhammad. I want to see who can score the most goals out of 10. And whoever doesn't win has to line up on the line right there.
Except me, I got a pass.
Whoever loses has to line up on the net, on the goal line, and the person who does win, like, kicks the ball at the rear. So
At the rear.
Yes,
Rear.
family friendly.
Consider rear.
If I haven't said like and subscribe yet, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also follow my socials, they'll be in the description.
Nice.
When he got 2 free goals, do it in that center. He let that shit in. Cry random.
To the ball, Lucas.
Fuck up. Oh! Oh my God! This shit in.
Don't block the camera,
Yo, audience, please let 2 of Ateh's shots in. Ateh hit a dead center. Blaze got out the way because it's Black History Month and he wants to support a fellow brother.
Okay.
Your eyes! Your eyes! Back the fuck up!
No!
Back up!
No!
brother, this guy stinks!
Oh my god! Oh, what a save! After this is it out here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
I'm gonna put all my anger into this.
So that'll be it for the video. If you did enjoy the video, drop a like. If you did not enjoy the video, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and check out my socials in the description. I also want to say that I will be having a tournament like when I'm editing this with my club team. So that video will probably be posted 1 to 2 weeks after posting this video. Just depends how much time I have to edit. So yeah, I'm gonna just deal with that, and I'm gonna put a few clips in the video so you guys can just enjoy this for the end of the video. So yeah, have a good day.